Dear brethren, this is Evangelist Progress of the Jesus Christ Fire Ministry. I'd like to take on a topic, modesty in behavior. Taking a Bible passage from the book of Proverbs, chapter 31, verse 30. And it says, charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Yes, dear brother, yeah, charms and beauty, everything, all of those things we fade away. Those things are not permanent and they can be deceiving. They can be deceiving. Modesty in behavior is what is a person who fears the Lord. Like he used the Bible used a woman who fears the Lord is to be respected. It's not just about your beauty, it's not just about the charms, it's not about the ornaments you put on. You need to be modest. The thing that shows that what you're a nice person is not just your appearance. The thing that shows that you're a child of God is not just the beauty, not just the things that you put on, but it is in fact it is your attitude. And you can do that attitude with the person who fears the Lord. Like the Bible said, the woman who fears the Lord is a person who is to be what is to be respected. So you're gonna be respected for your for your attitude, which is something you show outside and not the beauty, the ornament that you put on. It can be deceptive. It can in fact be deceptive. So let us try to be modest in our behaviors and the Lord will bless us. Thank you. God bless you.